Extended warranties for electronic devices have always been of debatable value. Whether it's cell phones, TVs, even kitchen appliances, the conversation about a warranty is always brought up when at the register. We're accustomed to declining warranties for consumer-level products because they typically don't make financial sense. The story is different when it comes to warranties on business-critical hardware. In addition to having to deal with the unexpected cost of repairing the device, like an important server, you must account for downtime. Without a warranty, more time will be spent searching for replacement parts, if they're still available, or flat out replacing the entire device. A hardware warranty can ensure that in case of failure, your business-critical device will be back online quickly. For example, we've had Dell Pro Support business-critical warranties deliver replacement parts and dispatch a technician well within 4 hours of a reported failure. When we have to source parts or new servers from local and national vendors, the delivery or turnaround is usually half a day at minimum. Minimizing downtime and getting your business back to serving clients or customers is much easier with a warranty renewal or extension. To learn about hardware warranties and how we help our clients manage warranties on their hardware assets, click the link below or check out our blog at salvestg.com.